So let's cook pakbit or pinakbit, guys. Pakbit is a Filipino dish from the northern region of the Philippines. Pakbit is made with a variety vegetables, just like this one: okra, eggplant, string beans, squash, and then flavored with bagoong. So I have two different types of bagoong here. And this one is a thick fermented fish sauce, but I will use this one, a fermented shrimp paste. So first, let's saute our garlic and onion until it golden brown. Just mix. Sure. Then next is our fermented shrimp paste. Yan. Cook for seconds because it's raw. Then sunod, the next one is the string beans. Yeah. Just cook for a minute. Then just add our squash. Just cook for about a minute also. And then sunod na natin yung eggplant. And then the okra. And then just add a little water. And then a seasoning mix. And a half tablespoon of brown sugar na to balance the saltiness of the shrimp paste. Kaya naglagay ako ng sugar. Then cook for about another 2 minutes. Yan. Then after 2 minutes, it's done.